Capita shares include immersed nearly 50% following the outsource company alerted on profits and announced a main tremble up. New head execution Jonathan Lewis told the business had be too much facility and managed by a brief term attention and necessary to changing its attitude. Capita, that given a episode of income warnings recent year, has once again cut its income prediction and show plans to lift £700 by producing new shares. The go comes following outsource competing Carillion compressed over the monthly. Shares ended the day 47% reduce at motive telephone call of labor and trading unions for immediate by the government activity to escape else Carillion. A office space representative told as a strategy provider Capita was ever controlled by the government. The company employs 70,000 human beings, on 50,000 of whom are in the UK. On to Tussle, a company that analyses UK social segment contracts. Capita won 154 by the government contracts recent year. Mr. Lewis, who took above 2 months back, told a overview had found the business treated through two lot markets and services, importance it was hard to support a competition benefit in each industry. Capita had relied too lot on acquisitions to driving increase and had as well seen weak in new contracts, he added. The business does include several finance strengths. It can urge on £1 billion in cash money and letter of credit means, has a considerably high income profit rather than Carillion did and has been take stairs to bring its obligation load. If Carillion had done an ad love the a few year ago, increase cash to pay off obligation, acknowledging a sluggish down in the marketplace, possession up to both of insufficient investment and an above reliance on purchase some companies to discover increase, later it might yet be in us currently. Instead of, Capita's new lug, Jonathan Lewis, has solved to get non-committal activity previous. Head management team are usually given just one opportunity to hit the discharge key in their period at the upper, and the clever ones get it previous, and hit the key difficult. How is which Mr. Lewis has made? By take severe finance medical now he has perhaps provided how the business does not afflict Carillion's destiny. Mr. Lewis plans a broad-ranging major repair consisting price cut, marketing losing business community and cut the dividend payment to shareholders. Yearly profits are now anticipated to be among £270 and £300, so under analysis consumer expectations of £400. In a meeting Mr. Lewis told Down there was lot to be made, but environment's announcements were the at first stairs on the way to restoration. Neil Wilson, elder analysis at ETX, told signs of problems had been house at the company, consisting the losing of a profitable and advantageous agreement in the prudent in January. John Trickett, Labour's dark secretary for the office space, forced by the government to get severe stares to watch the activities of Capita, indicating out how it was the tertiary main outsource business following Carillion and interserved to question a income precautionary in the History Monthly. Capita is audited by KPMG, the identical accounting company that audited Carillion. Frank Box, armchair of the Job and Pensions Board, told Capita was on the increasing listing of firms we are studying to see if their hold has vanishing present and next pensioners' rights. Else date, else outsource company in large obligation, a enormous retirement deficiency, a KPMG auditing and the big four persons pop up at each rotate in the business's checkered story, he added. Capita giving client control services, consisting the transactions of urge centers, for social and individual segment organizations. Its customers involve O2, METERNS, John Lewis, regional councils, the Troop and the Division of Job and Pensions. The company's largest agreement is its control of O2's urge centers. The 10-year transactions was signed in 2013 and is cost £. It is as well the UK's guideline supplier of software program to disaster facility monitoring rooms and as well rest the Ministry of Judiciary's electric tracking services for penal offenders.